Hey guys, welcome back to TiannaBlancoo channel, and we are just going to jump right into this color method that you guys all want to know about. So we're going to start off with hot boiling water, hot. And I'm going to place it into my container. This is for Michael's. You could get from like any old container that you won't use. And take your favorite rinse or hair dye, and you want to place it into the water. Now I'm not using the entire bottle, I'm just squeezing bits and pieces. However, if you want it to be like a pastel or lighter color, then you don't want to use as much hair dye. If you want it to be a darker color, then as you can tell by the water. So the water is really dark, so I kind of wanted the color to be like really vibrant. And you just want to mix the color. You don't want it to stain in one spot, so just mix the color and dip your wig in or your bundles, whatever. But you need it to be 613 color hair, because black hair would never do this. So this is just a quick and easy way to color your hair if you have the blonde bundles. And for the questions, does it stain my lace? No, it will not stain your lace. It will, however, just stain the hair, not the lace. So this is why this is so easy. And I literally left it in for no more than 3 minutes, and this is the color that I got. And you just want to continue, mixing and taking out the hair just to check up on it, because you don't want it to stain in one spot. So you just, however, want to keep mixing it, dipping it, leaving it in, dipping it, leaving it in. And this is after 3 minutes. So as you can see, it did not stain the lace. So it's like very easy. If you can't do this, girl, you need help. So this is what the wig looks like, it being wet. However, I did go ahead, shampoo and condition the hair, and I'm just gonna blow dry it to style it. Oh, hey Zyla, she just like has to always get in it. This is my everyday life. And I'm just adding a few layers. However, I will go back into the wig and add some more layers, but this was just a quick styling. Now you guys cannot tell me that this method isn't the easiest method, because it like don't stain the lace, no nothing. So if you guys do this, please tag me, let me see. Now you guys can subscribe, stay tuned. The next video I will be installing the unit.